Hi, this is Sose University. This job opening for the technology DBA, the community brand company. The location will be Pune, Maharashtra. They are looking for 3 to 5 years of experience candidate and ability to collaborate requirements for the project and request being a great team member. And the second technology is SQL BI support for the Mindtree company. The location is Hyderabad, Telangana. The role is SQL BI. The experience needed is 2 to 5 years. The skills are SSRS, SSAS, Power BI report server. And the location must be Hyderabad. The third technology is database administrator for the Biz2Credit company. The location is Noida, Uttar Pradesh. The work experience must be 4 to 6 years in MySQL DBA and demonstrated experience in relational database in physical design and relational database in performance tunings as well. And the fourth technology is business intelligence lead for the NewGlobe company. The location is Hyderabad, Telangana. And the fifth technology is Oracle Database Administrator for the TCS company. The location is Chennai. The location is Chennai, and they are looking for 6 to 10 years of experience candidate and must have 7 years of experience in database design and clear understanding of the implication and the impact of organization and operation of IT. The links will be given in the video description, so you can upload it directly. Please subscribe to the Sose University channel for the more job details. Thank you.